Hello, welcome back. In this video, we will be considering the concept of position as a location of point rectangular coordinates. First and foremost, what is position? Position is simply a point in a two-dimensional or three-dimensional space where there is no physical object occupying it. In other words, a point is used, or a dot is used to represent a position in space. Let's look at distance. What is distance? Distance is simply the difference between 2 points or 2 positions. It's also explained as a change in position from one point to another. The standard unit for measuring distance is meters. Other versions of measurement will be kilometers, centimeters, decimeters, and millimeters. Distance is measured in 2 ways: linearly, which is more like a straight line, and non-linearly or angularly. When measurement for distance is angular, it is referred to as bearing. That means it's an angular change of position from one point to another. This is where we deploy our knowledge of coordinates using north, south, east, and west coordinates. So here's an example of bearing. The boy is at a point north 45 degrees west. In the chart, you see the cardinal drawn, north and west, and in between is a line. That 45 degrees is the angular distance between the point where the boy was and the change that was made. It is also referred to as bearing. Let's look at distinction or difference between distance and displacement. We said earlier that distance is simply change in position from one point to another. Displacement is also carrying the same definition, only that now the displacement has a specified direction. The knowledge of bearing helps us to differentiate between a point location and an angular distance. Therefore, displacement is simply distance in a specified direction. An example is a boy traveling at a 45 meters distance and a boy traveling on a 45 meters distance due north. Those are 2 different statements, with one specifying the exact direction to which the boy is headed. In the next video, we will be considering questions from SSC and UTM.